This project is an automated decision support system for non-proliferative diabetic retinopathy disease based on MAS and HAS detection. Whenever human body pancreas does not able to secrete enough amount of insulin, that will leads to diabetes. This is the most common and popular disease all over the world. The diabetic retinopathy is a complication of diabetic patients which causes the damages in their blood vessels of retina. This may lead to the blood vision and even lead to the loss of vision in the patients. It was the major reason for diabetic patient blindness. So, the early diagnosis of the diabetic retinopathy can save the patient from the losing their vision. We are going to propose a system for easy detection of diabetic retinopathy using the microaneurysms and hemorrhage methods. These are the symptoms of blood vessels damage. Based on their classification, we are going to detect the severity level and can easily treat the patients. In the existing system, the classification process is done by nearest neighbor classification method. After the pre-processing steps and the feature extraction, the final classification done by KNN. Here, when the data is large, the KNN classifier will not give the accurate results. The processing steps also very slow. So we are going to propose a system which uses the spot license, that is the microaneurysms and hemorrhage, for detecting the dark spot damaged blood vessels. We are using pre-processing steps and the H-maximum transformation multi-level thresholding for classify the dark spots. After detecting the retinopathy level, we are going to give the normal or severe level of disease that can easily used by the doctors to treat the patients. Now we are going to see the implementation. First we are taking the input image. The image pre-processing steps will get the blood vessels in various forms. Now we are going to spot the license, that means the damages in the blood vessels. The microaneurysms denotes the red dots surrounded by yellow path, which gives the leakages in the blood from the vessels. These are the output. And the hemorrhage is some form of blood vessel leakage that will denote the blood vessels are not working properly. Now based on the calculations of these parameters, we are going to check the severity level. Here the segmented image is affected, that means the patient was affected by diabetic retinopathy. So the doctors can easily treat the people based on this system.